Hey guys, Rachel here. I'm going to do a quick release scooter check plus a couple clips. I had a lot of requests for a scooter check, so here it is. Starting from the top, I have black ODI grips on both sides with black tilt bar ends on both sides. I have chrome Apex bull bars standard size in a Phoenix Smooth SCS rod out. I have a Primo headset with a Phoenix top cap. Really smooth, spins really nice like butter. I have chrome Ethic Marrow forks. They're pink paint splattered. I have Eagle Camward wheels with Eagle bearings. And for the deck, I have an Envy AOS V2 Max Peter signature deck. Now for some clips.
Day and night, I toss and turn, I keep stressing my mind. I look for peace, but see I don't